are here in Baja California Sur. We found our spot.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, ay, ay.
Vera is waiting there for me to have a nice breakfast. We just starting to set camp. So we got our croissant, nice and ready to be eaten. Coffee. We got a visitor. I think he likes Brazilian music.
Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn.
Buonasera. I have the crazy idea to start the fire with the flint.
It's work?
Never tried it, but I said I always wanted to try.
Wow.
It works, man.
Show me.
It's work.
Show me.
It works, man. It works, man. my first time.
Yeah, our fire. Our first fire with a flint. Bravo, amore.
I like the fire with the flint.
I just cooked a soup, vegetable soup, because it's gonna get cold. Fammi vedere.
I like the fire with the flint. I like the fire with the flint. We are here on this beautiful bay in Baja California Sur. We set out camp. That's our pop-up tent, which can be used as a shower, changing room, and even toilet, which is there. Then we got everything laid out here at the back. Our cooking equipment. That's the stove, dual fuel. And this is a single burner stove for quick things like an egg, omelette, and this is for more like complicated dishes, pasta, where you need like 2 burners, and that's of course the pasta here. This is our bedroom. Beautiful bed, very comfortable. You don't want to wake up in the morning, so good it is. And then we continue. That's the awning, which provides some extra shade in a hot day like this today. We got our table with the chairs, and that's the jet boil. Stove for portable stove for hot water. In here we got the map. We took advantage of it a bit of time to draw our route so far, and we got the area for the barbecue here with the fire pit for tonight already set to be lit later on, and that's the mini barbecue. And of course Vera is doing the most difficult, complicated job, resting on the hammock, which we could set out here. We got a visitor every now and then, a boat, looking for fish, and well, that's why the fishing kit comes to show. Hopefully later on we'll be able to catch some dinner. If not, we'll be happy with cooking some pasta. And these are the views. We spotted 3 pairs of whales, mom and little one, in the past few days, and hopefully we will see some more.